All right, guys, here we are, update number 1 for Rogue Patriot and Year of the Beard. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. Okay, so today is update number 1 for Rogue Patriot Beard Company and Year of the Beard. Hey, I've gone rogue, okay? I've gone rogue. This is my first time trying Rogue Patriot Beard Company, and if you missed that unboxing video, I will put a card up top and you can go check that video out. It was a huge box. It's a long video, but there's a lot of stuff that we looked at with first impressions. So today we're going to talk about one scent that we have been using for the past few days, since the beginning of the month, since October 1st. And yeah, so let's jump into it. We're going to talk about the new release, Texas Musk. All right, we're going to talk about it in butter, in balm, and in oil. So let me read you what Brandon sent to me about the scent, because it was a brand new scent. It was just released on the website October 1st. So what he says about it is, when capturing the Texas hill country in a bottle, you know cedar is on the list. This musky blend is a combination of cedar, fir, and zesty orange with a hint of Texas humidity. Now let me tell you something about this scent. It smells amazing. If you like those cedar scents, that cedar scent profile, cedar's the main thing I get out of this. I do get some hints of the other stuff, but the main thing I get is the cedar. And we showed it at first impression. That's what the butter looks like. Super conditioning butter. It did amazing, has done amazing for the last few days. All the butters have the same ingredients. All the balms have the same ingredients, and all the oils have the same ingredients. So we're going to come back with the final thoughts at the end of the month, and I'll let you know how this carrier blend has done for my beard. But Texas Musk is a woody musk that takes you down the cedar-lined paths of hill country. And I am telling you, this smells great. I can't get enough of it. Now the the butter has a really good creamy consistency. I'm not going to waste any of this, but it just breaks down. You see, it just breaks down to nothing. And when you warm this up, I love cedar scents. Smells so good. All right, so the balm comes in this small little screw top tin, and it is off-white, not as white as the butter. This one does have some beeswax in it. I don't know if the butter does. Does the butter have beeswax? Yes, the butter has beeswax, but I'm guessing not as much as this, because on the balm, beeswax is your first ingredient. This is if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I rank balms as either a holding balm or a conditioning balm. Now, a holding balm can be medium hold, firm hold, that kind of thing. Conditioning balm is one of those that has no hold. That's what this is. It is a conditioning balm. I didn't get any hold out of it. If there is, it's very, very minute, but it smells just like the butter and just like the oil. I get zero carrier in this. It just smells really, really good. And let's talk about the oil. So the oil comes in a 1 ounce cobalt blue bottle with the pump top here. And this is going to be one of those that's a kind of a medium consistency. It's not super thick. You're not gonna be able to see it, but it's a thicker oil, because it does have the castor in it, but it's not a super thick. I've had some that were a lot thicker than this, but it is one of those. It's like, if this was thick and this is medium, it's somewhere in the middle here. It's not a thin oil, and it smells, I'm telling you, Texas Musk, Brandon, you knocked it out of the park. Great scent, great cedar notes in that. It smells so good. Like I said, I get hints of the other stuff, but the main thing I get is cedar, and to me, it's just a really good scent. It's just really, really awesome. So, brand new scent for Rogue Patriot. You need to get over to their website. Link will be in the description, and go check it out. It's going to be in oil, or it is. I guess it's already after October 1st, so it's available. So it's in oil, balm, and butter. Oils and balms run $15, and butters run $20. And don't forget the discount code for the month of October, the whole month. Use discount code Year of the Beard, and that'll save you some money on your purchase. All right, guys, well, that is a wrap for update number 1. I'm telling you, if the rest of the month is going to go like Texas Musk, it's going to be a good month. So definitely get over, check out Rogue Patriot's website. Link will be in the description below, and get over, use that discount code, pick you up a couple things. Like I said, next week we'll be talking about something different, and I've got 5 different scents. I don't know what my next one's going to be. I'm putting Texas Musk down today and tomorrow, actually tonight, tomorrow, we'll start a new scent to go in for update number 2. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please consider hitting subscribe. It would really help my channel grow, and I would greatly appreciate it. And if you do hit subscribe, make sure your little bell's turned on for notifications when new videos drop. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.